How to post Instagram stories on desktop. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open any browser and type in instagram.com. Go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, right click and then select Inspect at the bottom. Click on this icon here. Over here, you can select your dimensions and the type of phone. Once it's selected, click on this refresh page. So once you refresh your browser, you'll see your story. Click on the plus sign and you'll be able to select the video or photo that you want to add to your story. So you can select your photo and click on open. So over here, you can edit it as you normally would on your phone by adding stickers, editing it, or adding different text. Once you're ready to share, you can click on add to your story at the bottom. If you don't want to share, you can click on this cross icon here and then click on discard. If you cross out this part here, you'll see that if you click on your story, it'll tell you to rotate your device to add to your story. So make sure to not cross that out. If you want to go back to the normal Instagram, you can just right click on it and click on inspect again and just untick this. And then go ahead and refresh it again. And then you can cross this out. So you'll go back to how Instagram is normally open on the browser. So this is how to post Instagram stories on desktop. Thanks for watching till the end. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.